Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an e-file in Eoffice. First, navigate to the Eoffice portal and log in using your credentials. Once inside, locate the File Management section, which is usually prominent on the dashboard. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the necessary tools to begin your e-file creation process. We'll cover everything from starting a new file to its final submission, ensuring you can manage your documents effectively. To start, click on the Create New File button, typically found within the File Management area. You'll then be prompted to select the file category or type from a drop-down menu. This classification helps organize documents and ensures they follow correct workflows. Next, input the subject of your file and a brief description. These details are vital for quick identification and proper routing within the system, making your e-file easily searchable for others. Now it's time to attach your documents. Use the Upload feature to add all necessary files, ensuring they are in the correct format, such as PDF or Word. You can also add specific notes or remarks to provide additional context or instructions for the recipients. Finally, specify the recipient or the next office in the workflow for routing the e-file. This ensures your file moves through the proper channels for review and action, maintaining a smooth process. Before final submission, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered, including attached documents and recipient details. Double-checking ensures accuracy and prevents delays. Once satisfied, click the Submit button to officially send your e-file for processing. This completes the creation and initial routing of your digital document. Remember, a well-organized e-file system saves time and improves efficiency for everyone involved. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.